is the Tesla magnetic phone holder. It goes in the corner of the screen right here. You can see just in the back here, it's just got a rotating wheel that locks it in place. It just puts some suction on it, so there's no glue or adhesive or anything like that. That's needed. This is in the Cybertruck here. You can see with a square round steering wheel, it just gives it a lot of room right here. You just see it just mounts right up just like that. Just a really nice clean look right here. And you could see you could extend this out even more. You could put it down, you could put it up based on however you want to display it. But in the Cybertruck, you're able to keep it where it's not extended, and it just syncs up right here. It's just magnetic and just does a really great job of holding the phone right there. That's a little bit better than in the Cybertruck here where it just charges right there. This is just going to be able to get it where you could see the screen while you're driving without taking your eyes off the road. So if you're using the full self-driving mode, you're not going to have it where it's detecting your that you're not looking at you're not looking forward, and just does a really great job of being able to let you see the screen with still being in compliance with the Tesla auto drive. So it's a really great phone mount. Highly recommend picking one of these up. Again, this isn't a Cybertruck, but if you have the Model 3, Y, S, this is going to be universal to the corner of the screen right here. So definitely want to pick one of these up if you have a Tesla. It's a really cool product.